Before we begin, you might need the following tools to get the job done. Make sure you have all the required knotwood materials for this system. First, install the board trim base along the perimeter of the selected area. Make sure that the profiles are properly trimmed to fit the corners correctly. Position the starting board and attach it to each joist along the starting edge. Now take the first interlocking board and slide its edge into the starter board so that its side is held down. Ensure the first board is straight and aligned with your layout. Lay the next row of board clips and repeat this process until the end of the cladding area. Once all boards are installed, place and clip in the plank trim finisher in the plank trim base. And that's it. Now your new stunning cladding is complete. For more information, call us or visit our website